My presentation will be on a topic of interim and segment reporting and disclosures. Our key discussions will include background information, key issues, recommendations, and changes in the standard due to COVID-19. What is the purpose of interim and segment reporting and disclosures? The main purpose is to provide shareholders, creditors, and users with information to help their investment decision making. This is done through summarized reports of financial data which are provided on a timely basis or at interim periods, which are periods between the fiscal year, namely monthly, quarterly, or semi-annually. The objectives of interim reporting are to estimate annual earnings, to make projections, to evaluate management performance, and to identify turning points. As businesses need to rely on estimates to provide interim reports, there are two main issues they may encounter: accounting and conceptual issues. The determination of quantity of inventory, valuation of inventory, and adjustments of valuation are notable problems in every interim report. These problems become more difficult for companies using the last in, first out method. Due to time lags between costs and sales, problems arise when matching costs and revenues. Therefore, we use estimates. However, investors often project the end result based on interim reports. Companies face the problem of deciding the extent of disclosure, as disclosure requirements applicable to annual financial reporting are not applicable to interim reporting. The integral versus discrete approach is a conceptual problem relating to whether the interim period is part of a long period or is a period in and of itself. The integral approach argues that interim reporting helps forecast future business results, while the discrete approach counter-argues that interim reporting is used because there is interest in the realization of the interim period. Some recommendations are creating a fiscal period based on operating cycles, evening out income to decrease fluctuations, and using disclosures to help users interpret results. On April 7, 2020, the IFRS reported that there was need for clarification that the disclosure sensitivities of estimates is based on conditions at the reporting date. Now we've reached the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.